went onto Craigslist and I found a super cheap old mirror. I went home and cleaned it up. Then I did 2 coats of high gloss black spray paint. I took this metallic purple Artist Loft paint and highlighted the sides of the board for a pop of color. I had my fabric laid out and I'm using the back of the mirror as a stencil to help me figure out exactly the size that I need to cut out. When I cut using the foam, I needed to use a different color marker so that way the outline would be easier to see. When it came time to rolling out the cork, I definitely recommend having something by that's heavy because I kept finding that the cork kept rolling over on itself. Here I am taking some heavy objects and laying it on the cork to help it flatten out. Now I'm taking spray amount adhesive and putting the cork and foam together. So I'm taking a hot glue gun and I'm just getting the corners of the foam and cork together just to give it a little extra adhesive. Once you spray the back of the fabric and then lay it on the cork, I used the hot glue gun on the sides and the edges just to make sure they were doubly bonded together. Having the mirror face down, I put the fabric facing outwards and then I just screwed in the back of the mirror. I could not be happier with the way this project turned out. I think the fabric was on point. You can see the purple highlights in the corner of the mirror. The black gloss spray paint was the right way to go. And now the hard part is you got to pick which pins you're going to put on your board. I didn't want to put too many because I wanted you to be able to see the fabric. It's kind of like a piece of art to me. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any questions or feedback, please comment down below.
A disgrace to the forces of evil.